For formative and moving on to summative, this is where you can run it at a trust level. You can create your own frameworks and push them across to all schools for all of the year groups. It doesn't matter, and we can link them all so that they can calculate grades and go into the summative section. More of this will be shown later on in another video. You also have access in the math section to create any assessment points that you like and put them wherever. These will go across into all schools. You also have the ability to create any grade sets that you like, and again, push these to all schools. You can make your grade set start from any year group and carry on. This will help track all the way from early years through into year 1 and 2, etc. if you wish to put your grade sets one after the other. You can also create grade sets for send. We've got some engagement model steps in here as well. So you've got the complete flexibility to create any grade sets that you like and push them across to all of your schools.